Good morning, my Kachol friends. How are you today? It is so good to see you, and I'm very excited to read some stories to you. So today we are going to read two stories, and we are going to sing some songs as well. So our first song is our hello song, and remember we're going to use some sign language. So for hello, we're going to go like this, and then for friends, we're going to take our two fingers and make them hug each other. Okay, so it goes like this. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Very good. Now our next song is If You're Ready for a Story. We're going to clap our hands. We're going to nod our head. We're going to rub our belly. And we're going to sit so still like a statue. Okay, here we go. If you're ready for a story, clap your hands. If you're ready for a story, clap your hands. If you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, clap your hands. If you're ready for a story, nod your head. If you're ready for a story, nod your head. If you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, nod your head. If you're ready for a story, rub your belly. If you're ready for a story, rub your belly. If you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, rub your belly. Okay, if you're ready for a story, sit so still. If you're ready for a story, sit so still. If you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, if you're ready for a story, sit so still. Good job. Our first story is called The Big Umbrella. And you can see that umbrella has a smiley face. He looks like a pretty happy umbrella. Let's see what this umbrella is up to. The Big Umbrella by Amy June Bates. By the front door, there is an umbrella. It is big. When do we need to use an umbrella, friends? That's right, when it's raining. It looks like it's raining outside in this story. He is a big, friendly umbrella. It likes to help. What is it helping with in this picture? It's helping keep the leaves away and the sun and the rain. It likes to spread its arms wide. It loves to give shelter. How many friends are under the umbrella now? 1, 2. Good job. Can fit 2 friends. It loves to gather people in. Look closely. How many people are under the umbrella now? 1, 2, 3, 4 people. That is a big umbrella. It doesn't matter if you are tall. Oh my. Do you think this guy is going to fit under there? Let's see. Or hairy. Look, my friends. They fit the big tall guy under there. Is there room for him? Let's see. Or plaid. Wow. Look at all of them fitting under the umbrella. Let's count how many are under there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, that is a big umbrella. It doesn't matter how many legs you have. Here comes a dog. Is he going to fit? He's getting all wet from the rain too. Some people worry that there won't be enough room under the big umbrella. But the amazing thing is, there is. Wow, look at all those people. That is amazing. There he is, one happy big umbrella. He's doing a very good job keeping them dry. There is always room. So all these people in their community can fit together and share. That is an amazing story. The end. So I hope you guys like that. Do you have an umbrella at your house? I have one here at school, and it's a rainbow umbrella, so it helps me stay dry when it's raining. All right, our next song is Two Little Blackbirds. You guys probably remember this one from last year. Here we go. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill, one named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. We're gonna fly in the sky. Two little blackbirds flying in the sky, one named Low and one named High. Fly away, Low, fly away, High. Come back, Low, come back, High. Okay, now we're in the grass. Two little blackbirds sitting in the grass, one named Slow and one named Fast. Fly away, Slow, fly away fast. Come back, Slow, come back fast. Okay, last one on a cloud. Two little blackbirds sitting on a cloud, one named Soft and one named Loud. Fly away, soft, fly away, loud. Come back, soft, come back, loud. Good job. I love that one. I think that one's my favorite. All right, we have another story, and this one is all about sharing. So, I want you to think in your brain, how do you share with your friends? How do you share at school? How do you share at home? How do you share with your mom and dad or your brothers and sisters? Sharing is very important. This one is called That's Not Mine. They do not look very happy, do they? That's Not Mine by Anna Kang and illustrated by Christopher Wyant. There he is, just sitting knitting a scarf. That's my chair. No, it's mine. I was sitting in it before. I'm sitting in it now. I had it first. It's mine. I have it now. It's mine. They are not being very kind to each other. Squeakity, squeakity, squeakity. Well, this is mine. Swivel, swivel. Can I try it? No, it's mine. Please, just once. He gets to spin around, and that looks like fun. Okay, just once. Fling! Uh-oh. Does that look like a problem to you guys? Woo! Zoom! Crash! Hey, that's my chair. No, it's mine. He needs to come up with an idea. He gets a feather. It says, tickle, tickle. You think this little bear is going to be ticklish? Let's see. Ha 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 ha. Mine. Wow, he got him out of that chair. That worked, huh? Mine, 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 mine. Get up, it's mine. Go away, it's mine. It's mine. Wow. Are they doing a good job sharing that chair? No way. I'm sorry. Me too. Oh, they're doing a nice handshake. Hopefully that means they're becoming friends again. Want to go play? Yeah. Oh, now we have a new friend who wants the chair. Mine. The end. All right.
Good morning. Today is...
All right, guys. Sorry, there was a little interruption there from the announcement. So we finished our story all about sharing, and hopefully you can remember to share with your friends here at school and at home. So we have 2 more songs to sing, and the first one is one you probably all know. It's called Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Here we go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Good job. Did you make a diamond with your hands? That's pretty fun, huh? That's a cool way to put your fingers. Good. All right. Our very last song is our goodbye song. So we're going to sing that, and then I will see you all next time. Here we go. Now it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you all next time. Good job. Thank you guys for being wonderful listeners. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.